When you are hosting an event on LinkedIn, make sure you're making the most of it. So I'm going to be speaking at an event later today for SmarterQueue, and I will just show you the link to that event. So they have created the event. They have added me in as the speaker on the event. So here it is, how to grow your business on LinkedIn in 20 minutes a day. Today at 6 p.m. I am added in as a speaker on this event. And so you add it to your calendar, so it then will pop up on your calendar, and you invite people to do the same thing. You can then share the event. You can invite your network to join the event. So I'm going to pick people who are in the United Kingdom, show results. Let's say, show results. You select everybody in there, and then you click invite 51 people to the event. And then the next thing to do is make sure you've commented on the event. So you like the event to give it more engagement. I have commented on the event and engage with the people who have commented on the event as well. So the next thing I want you to do, this is really important, is go to your profile. So click on view profile. And on your profile, you have got what's called the featured section. So scroll down to the featured section here and click on the plus sign. And we're going to add a link, and that's going to be the link to our event. So click on the event link, not the comments. I don't want the comments, I want the event itself. Make sure you've got just the event. Click on add, how to grow your business on LinkedIn, 20 minutes a day, thumbnail. And we don't need LinkedIn in there twice. Okay, and we're going to click save. And now, when people go to my featured section, they're going to see this as the first thing on the featured section. Now we want to adjust that thumbnail so that it is not sitting like this. But that's how you can add your event to your featured section to get more visibility on the event that you are running. So a little tip to fix that image is to go into the featured section itself, click on your featured section, go into the edit section and change the thumbnail. So I have the image from SmarterQueue for this image, and click on that, click on open, and it's going to replace the thumbnail. Click on save. And now when we go back to the featured section, the image is the right size. So good luck, and make sure that you are making the most of any event that you are going to be speaking at or hosting here on LinkedIn.